Shri Justice Sushruth Arvind Dharmadhikari ji, Honorable Ms. Gauri Kumar and Honorable Sarah Roberts Faville, Honorable Judges of High Court of Madhya Pradesh from Jabalpur, Indore and Gwalior, esteemed judges from the District Judiciary, officers of this great state, and I can see the Mayor of Indore, Shri Pushpamitra Bhargav ji, and Cabinet Minister Shri Tulsi Ram ji, Silawat ji, legal luminaries, experts and our friends from around the world, print and electronic media, ladies and gentlemen. It is an honor and privilege to stand before and address such an illustrious gathering. For this moment, I am reminded of a quote by Ralph Waldo Emerson: "The first wealth is health." And in the context of this colloquium, I would say that the health of a state is measured by the strength of its legal and economic infrastructure. Two forces that work hand in hand to build a prosperous and resilient future. While preparing for this colloquium, I visited the Invest MP website and other online portals, intending to gather some data for the purpose of preparing my speech. But what I truly realized, beyond the impressive figures and statistics, lies a profound transformation waiting to unfold for our state. The sheer volume of investment already committed by investors is nothing short of revolutionary. It is set to transform the destiny of Madhya Pradesh, bringing about unprecedented growth and development all across sectors of our economy. We are on the cusp of an economic renaissance, one that will elevate our state to new heights of industrial and commercial prominence. All this will be made possible through the collective efforts of many individuals and institutions. However, the bedrock, the true vision and driving force behind this transformation is owed to our Honorable Chief Minister, Dr. Mohan Yadav ji. Under the leadership of the Honorable Chief Minister, the state is advancing with unwavering determination and laser-focused ambition, propelling Madhya Pradesh towards becoming a true economic powerhouse. Our Honorable Chief Minister, Dr. Mohan Yadav ji, is not only a visionary, but also a man of action. Just yesterday, before gracing this colloquium, he was presiding over the regional industrial conclave at Sagar, which, like the previous editions, was an overwhelming success. This was the fourth in a series of conclaves that began with the sacred land of Shri Baba Mahakal Ujjain, followed by Jabalpur and Gwalior. Beyond this, 4 investment sessions have been conducted outside Madhya Pradesh, attracting foreign diplomats and global investors. This has laid the groundwork for the economic revolution and the surge in employment we are about to witness, for which we owe our deepest gratitude to our Honorable Chief Minister. Here, I would like to acknowledge the foresight of Honorable Shri Justice Sanjeev Sachdeva ji, another visionary, who had already anticipated this emerging challenge, recognizing the inevitable rise in intellectual property related litigation. Your Lordship, while holding the position of Acting Chief Justice of the High Court of Madhya Pradesh, took timely steps to ensure that our state's judiciary and legal system are well prepared. It is this foresight that has brought us all together today. This colloquium will pave the way for a future where our state is not only a destination for business, but also a stronghold of intellectual property rights protection. I express my deepest gratitude to Honorable Shri Justice Suresh Kumar Kaid ji, who has since taken over as the Chief Justice of the High Court of Madhya Pradesh. In the short time we have had the privilege of observing His Lordship's commitment and leadership, we are confident that my Lord's positive outlook and proactive approach will propel us further on this journey. Your Lordship's esteemed presence here today is a testament to his commitment, and I am certain that under my Lordship leadership, the Madhya Pradesh judiciary will continue to excel in addressing the emerging challenges of this new era. It is a great honor to welcome Honorable Shri Justice Jiten Kumar Maheshwari ji and Honorable Shri Justice Satish Chand Sharma ji, both towering figures in the Indian judiciary. Both of them, before their elevation to the Supreme Court, made remarkable contributions during their tenures at the High Court of Madhya Pradesh. Their visionary leadership, sharp legal acumen, and unwavering commitment helped shape the judiciary during a pivotal period of growth in our state. Their influence was instrumental in navigating the challenges we faced while laying the groundwork for the future. Even as they now serve at the highest court of our nation, their wisdom and guidance continue to resonate here, illuminating the path of our judiciary and ensuring that Madhya Pradesh remains at the forefront of legal innovation and excellence. With such leadership in the helm of our government and judiciary, Madhya Pradesh stands ready to welcome global investors with confidence, ensuring that their intellectual assets are protected and their contributions recognized. As we move forward, there are several critical areas that must be addressed to ensure we are fully prepared for the future. A detailed master plan will be required to give effect to these efforts in the most effective and result-oriented manner and to bolster our legal and administrative systems. I firmly believe that in this endeavor, our friends from the Intellectual Property Office, United Kingdom, and the International Trademark Association will join hands with us, lending their expertise to further strengthen our readiness. This colloquium is just the beginning. In this regard, I assure you that as the Advocate General of this estate, I will personally and officially ensure that the Office of Advocate General is an active participant in this collective effort. We will take every step necessary to ensure that not only government advocates but the entire bar is equipped to meet the challenges of the future. Together we will train, prepare and upgrade our legal professionals, ensuring that the state of Madhya Pradesh is not just ready but a leader in the domain of intellectual property law. Together, let us march forward with unwavering confidence and determination, embracing the bright future that awaits our great state of Madhya Pradesh. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Thank you, sir, for addressing us. I now request Ms. Sarah Roberts-Pavel, Deputy Director, Intellectual Policy, United Kingdom, Intellectual Property Office, to please share her thoughts with us.
Good afternoon. I'm short. I hope that's okay. The Honourable Chief Minister Mohan Yadav, the Justice J.K. Meshwari, Judge, Supreme Court of India, Justice S.C. Sharma, Judge, Supreme Court of India, Chief Justice Suresh Kate, Madhya Pradesh High Court, Justice Sanjeev Sachdeva, Madhya Pradesh High Court, the Honourable Justice Sushrit Dharma Dakari, other Honourable Judges of the Madhya Pradesh High Court, Mr. Prashat Singh, Advocate General of the Madhya Pradesh State, Mr. Krishnamurthy Mishra, Director of the MP Judicial Academy, our colleagues from Inter as well, learned district judges, distinguished members of the bar, and ladies and gentlemen. I am truly privileged to attend this very important event and to have the opportunity to share congratulations on behalf of the Intellectual Property Office of the United Kingdom. To be part of the first gathering of so many esteemed judges to talk about Baudik Sampara, intellectual property, is a true privilege. It is an absolute passion of mine. The UK-India relationship is founded on a broad range of mutual interests, where we work closely together on various topics as diverse as education and research, energy security, climate change, through to defence and international relations, It is hugely, hugely exciting to now have the opportunity to work with such a significant gathering of judges on intellectual property. First, let me say that this is my first visit to India. And while my experiences so far are limited, my colleagues have told me that to appreciate and understand India, I should go beyond Delhi and Mumbai. So I am appreciative that Indore has been my very first place to come and to spend some time. And I have very, very much enjoyed the welcome that I've received. I was involved in the UK-India Free Trade Agreement negotiations before my move to the Intellectual Property Office. So I have met some colleagues previously from the Government of India, and we were all incredibly proud to be working together to deliver a meaningful deal for both our countries. In the United Kingdom Intellectual Property Office, our office is responsible for the intellectual property system. The IPO is tasked with the promotion and administration of the IP system and the provision and dissemination of information about intellectual property. Our activities support a wide policy ecosystem from developing small, medium and also micro SMEs to achieve their potential to empowering consumers to making informed choices in competitive markets. We have a very, very diverse remit, and we are very proud of that fact. I am aware that the UK and India share a very common goal in helping our small businesses, our SMEs, our micro SMEs to develop, and IP can be absolutely critical at developing their innovation, their investment, and both our futures. Understanding intellectual property and applying that knowledge to make informed decisions is a critical enabler, especially for SMEs, startups, along with big scale-ups, multinationals and other corporations. The creators, innovators and entrepreneurs of today and tomorrow need to have an IP system which supports innovation, creativity and business growth, and in order for them to be able to maximise the benefits of their intellectual property. However, crucial to this is a good domestic intellectual property system which needs to be underpinned by an effective and skilled judicial system to enable the enforcement of these rights, which is why I welcome the event over the next 2 days and I feel very privileged to come. A clear legal framework lays the foundation for effective intellectual property rights. IP rights do not provide sufficient incentive to create and innovate if they are not respected. Businesses and brand owners need effective mechanisms to prevent others from free riding on their investments. And we will support always effective civil and criminal enforcement of IP rights to provide justice for rights owners and to deter future infringers. The UK Intellectual Property Office works to reduce the demand for infringing goods and services through domestic programmes, but we do also do this by working in partnerships with rights holders, law enforcement and justice systems far beyond the United Kingdom, and by helping consumers across the world understand the risks and consequences of buying counterfeit and pirated content, we can improve intellectual property around the world. I'm looking forward to hearing distinguished and honest guests share their experiences and knowledge. Thank you for inviting us to this event, and special thanks to Justice Sachdeva for making this event happen. It is truly, truly groundbreaking. It is the largest gathering I've ever attended across the world of law enforcement in terms of the judicial system, and I very much welcome events such as this coming forwards as well. We truly appreciate the relationship that we have with the Indian judiciary and the government, and we do very much look forward to working together now, but continuing into the future. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am, for offering insights into the ever-evolving field of intellectual property law. Now I would request My Lord Shri Justice Sanjeev Sachdeva, Administrative Judge, High Court of Madhya Pradesh, to kindly guide us with your words, sir.
Thank you. Dr. Mohan Yadav, Honorable the Chief Minister of Madhya Pradesh, Mr. Justice Jitendra Kumar Maheshwari, Judge Supreme Court of India, Mr. Justice Satish Chandra Sharma, Judge Supreme Court of India, Mr. Justice Suresh Kaid, Chief Justice High Court of Madhya Pradesh, Mr. Justice Sushrut Dharmadhikari, Judge High Court of Madhya Pradesh, Ms. Sarah Robert Favell, Deputy Director International Policy, United Kingdom Intellectual Property Office, Ms. Gauri Kumar, Representative Officer, South Asia, International Trademark Association, my brother and sister judges from the High Court of Madhya Pradesh, Mr. Prashant Singh, Advocate General for the State of Madhya Pradesh, Registrar General, High Court of Madhya Pradesh, Director, MP State Judicial Academy, Honorable District Judges, Judicial Officers, esteemed guests, distinguished speakers, participants, ladies and gentlemen. I am indeed honored to welcome you to the colloquium for the judges on intellectual property rights. We have gathered here to explore the vital realm of intellectual property which fuels innovation, creativity, and economic growth. Intellectual property rights form the very backbone of modern commerce, driving progress and competition. Yet, the complexities of IPR pose significant challenges. This conference aims to address these challenges, fostering dialogue and knowledge sharing. Intellectual property rights refer to the legal rights granted to creators and owners of intellectual property, including patents, trademark, copyright, trade secrets, geographical indications, and industrial design. IPR protection encourages creators to invest in research and development with the comfort that their unique ideas and creations would be safeguarded and protected. This leads to development of new technologies, products, and services, driving economic progress and improving quality of life. It also fosters competition by preventing unauthorized copying and ensuring fair market conditions. This further promotes consumer confidence as genuine products and services are distinguished from counterfeit or infringing ones. Furthermore, IPR facilitates international trade as protected innovations and brands can be safely exported and imported and licensed globally. Effective IPR protection also attracts foreign investment, stimulates entrepreneurship, and creates jobs. By securing exclusive rights, innovators can commercialize their creations, generating revenue and stimulating economic growth. Moreover, it encourages creativity in art, literature, and music, preserving cultural heritage and promoting diversity. By protecting authors and artists, rights IPR ensures that continued creation of original work. In today's knowledge-based economy, IPR has become a critical component of national competitiveness. Countries with robust IPR framework attract innovation, talent, and investment, driving sustainable growth and development. India boasts of a comprehensive intellectual property rights framework, safeguarding inventions, brands, literary and artistic work, designs and geographical indications through robust laws including Patent Act, Trademark Act, Copyright Act, Design Act, Geographical Indication of Goods, Registration and Protection Act, to name a few. India is also signatory to key international treaties like the Paris Convention, Berne Convention, TRIPS Convention, WIPRO Copyright Treaty, and Madrid Protocol. India adheres to harmonized IPR standards, streamlined filing procedures, and enhanced global cooperation. These treaties facilitate the protection of Indian IPR internationally, as well as protects international brands and fosters a conducive environment for innovation and creativity. In today's digital landscape, intellectual property and technology are inextricably linked. As emerging technologies continually rise, new challenges and opportunity for IP protection. Advances in artificial intelligence, blockchain, Internet of Things, and 5G network have created new frontiers for innovation, but they also introduce complexities in ownership, authorship, and infringement. IP laws must adapt to address issues like AI-generated content, patentability of software inventions, and cybersecurity threats. Effective IP strategies can harness technology's potential, drive innovation, and foster economic growth. India stands at an important crossroad. Our country, with its vast pool of talent, creativity, and entrepreneurial spirit, is emerging as a global hub for innovation. However, with this growth comes the responsibility of ensuring a robust legal framework to protect intellectual property rights while balancing the need for access to knowledge, public welfare, and societal progress. Judiciary plays a pivotal role in this regard, ensuring that the rights of innovators and creators are safeguarded. The state of Madhya Pradesh is known for its cultural heritage and growing industrial landscape. It is no exception to this trend. For small and medium enterprises to large industries, innovation is thriving here. The legal community, particularly in the realm of intellectual property, must rise to the occasion to provide clarity, guidance, and effective enforcement in an era where intellectual property is at the forefront of economic development. In conclusion, effective IPR protection requires collaboration and cooperation amongst governments, industries, and individuals. IPR is not just a legal concept, but a catalyst for creativity, innovation, and economic growth. Let us prioritize IPR protection, encourage innovation, and safeguard the intellectual property rights of creators and investors. As we look to the future, it is clear that IPR will play an increasingly crucial role in shaping a global economy. Let us embrace this challenge, adapt to emerging technologies, and ensure that IPR continues to fuel progress and innovation. May I inform Honorable the Chief Minister that we have judges here represented from each district, physically present, and others are virtually connected. Because of constraints of time, we could not have all of them here. And the encouragement and support that we've got from our two chief guests from the Supreme Court, they were very, very eager so that we could also promote what this state requires, a very robust commercial economy. This state, after coming here, I've realized has so much potential, both in terms of economy as well as in terms of the legal minds that we have. This state has given us one of the finest legal minds in the country. We've had the finest judges in the past, two of them adorn the Supreme Court at the moment. And I'm reminded of one of the judgments which Justice Maheshwari authored in the state of Madhya Pradesh on IPR. It's a leading judgment which is still holding the fort. And I would like to, with that, welcome all of you to this conference, and I hope in the next 2 days we are able to achieve what we gathered here to do, increase IPR knowledge, and assure the global community that Madhya Pradesh is ready to handle any challenge that is thrown to it. Thank you very much.
Thank you, my lord, for guiding us and highlighting the significance of intellectual property law in today's world. I now most humbly request my Lord Shri Justice Suresh Kumar Kaid, Honorable Chief Justice, High Court of Madhya Pradesh, to please address us on this landmark occasion.
Dr. Mohan Yadav, Honorable the Chief Minister of Madhya Pradesh, Honorable Justice Jitendra Kumar Maheshwari, and Honorable Justice Satish Kumar Chandra, Judges of the Supreme Court of India, my colleagues, Justice Sachdeva and Justice Dharmadhikari on the dais, and of the dais, my colleagues, their family members, Prashant Singh, Advocate General, High Court of Madhya Pradesh, Gauri Kumar, Representative Officer, South Asia International Trademark Association, Sir Robert Fievel, Deputy Director, Intellectual Property, United Kingdom, Intellectual Property Office, my brother and sister judges of all the district courts, resource persons, Shri Manoj Kumar Srivastava, Research Journal and officers of the registry, Shri Krishna Murthy Mishra, Director, Madhya Pradesh State Judicial Academy and officers of the Academy, Shri B.P. Sharma, Principal District and Sessions Judge, Indore, Judicial Officer of the District Court, Indore, Office from the District Administration, participants, dignitaries present in the auditorium, ladies and gentlemen, Namaste to all. I am honored to address this august gathering at the inaugural session of the Collegium on Intellectual Property for the Judges of Madhya Pradesh. This event marks an important step toward strengthening our understanding of intellectual property, which is a cornerstone of innovation, creativity, and economic development in today's world. Intellectual property is often considered the bedrock of innovation. It refers to creation of the mind, be they inventions, literary and artistic works, designs, symbols or names, and images used in commerce. Protecting these creations through IPR is essential not only to reward inventions and creators but also to foster an environment that encourages more innovation. In our fast-paced, knowledge-driven global economy, IPR protection has become an essential driver for progress. India, despite its rich intellectual heritage, ranks relatively low on the Global Innovation Index, although we have made great strides in fields such as pharmaceuticals, information, technology, and creative industries. We must further strengthen our intellectual property regime to match global standards. According to recent reports, India was ranked 40th of 53 countries in Global Intellectual Property Index. This is a critical issue that we as stockholders in the legal system must address. Why is intellectual property so important? It is because ideas, when adequately protected, fuel innovation. In addition to the patents, trademarks also play a vital role in protecting the goodwill and identity of business. Moreover, we must not overlook the role of copyrights, which safeguard creative works in literature, music, films, and more. With the growth of digital economy, copyright law has become increasingly significant in managing the challenges posed by online infringement and the misuse of content across digital platforms. As we move further into digital age, the challenges for intellectual property law have expanded. Emerging technologies such as artificial intelligence, blockchain, and non-fungible tokens are redefining the landscape of intellectual property protections. Questions regarding the ownership of intellectual property generated creations or the protection of digital assets like NFTs are complex and involving. These issues present new challenges for the judiciary and will demand our careful consideration. For instance, when considering injunctions in IP cases, courts must carefully weigh the immediate need for protection against the potential harm to public access. In patent disputes, particularly in sectors like pharmaceuticals, an injunction could significantly impact public health. Balancing these interests requires a deep understanding of both the technical aspect of intellectual property and the social implications of our rulings. Furthermore, the enhancement of IP rights remains a challenge. Cross-border infringements, especially in the digital realm, present unique jurisdictional issues. The importance of IPR in promoting economic growth cannot be overstated. Nations that actively protect intellectual property tend to attract greater investments in the innovation. At the same time, IPR laws must strike a balance between protecting creators and ensuring public access to essential goods and services. The flexibility in Indian Patent Act, particularly in cases involving pharmaceutical products, reflects this balance. The use of compulsory licensing provisions ensures that critical medicines are available to the public at affordable prices in times of need. As we gather here today to dwell deeper into the evolving facets of intellectual property law, it is vital that we as judges continue to uphold the delicate balance between innovation and public good. Intellectual property law is not static. It evolves with technological and advancements, global trade, and social needs. Our role is to interpret and apply these laws in a manner that not only protects the rights of creators and innovators, but also furthers the broader goal of justice and equality. This colloquium provides us with an invaluable platform to exchange ideas, learn from experts, and deepen our understanding of intellectual property law. as we engage in discussion over the next 2 days. I encourage each of you to consider how we, as members of the judiciary, can contribute to shaping a more robust and equitable IP regime for India. I wish this colloquium great success and look forward to the enriching discussion will follow. Thank you very much. Jai Hind.
Thank you, my lord, for your profound words of wisdom and raising issues which requires consideration.
गोविंदा गोविंदा बोल रहा। वही सही। लोगों ने पूछा ये नया नारा कहाँ से आ गया, ये तो गोविंदा गोविंदा बोल। लोगों ने पूछा ये नया नारा कहाँ से आ गया, ये तो गोविंदा गोविंदा बोल। ये नया नारा कहाँ से आ गया, ये तो गोविंदा गोविंदा बोल। लोगों ने पूछा ये नया नारा कहाँ से आ गया, ये तो गोविंदा गोविंदा बोल। लोगों ने पूछा ये नया नारा कहाँ से आ गया, ये तो गोविंदा गोविंदा बोल। ये नया नारा कहाँ से आ गया, ये तो गोविंदा गोविंदा बोल। ये नया नारा कहाँ से आ गया, ये तो गोविंदा गोविंदा बोल। ये नया नारा कहाँ से आ गया, ये तो गोविंदा गोविंदा बोल। ये नया नारा कहाँ से आ गया, आगे वाला बोले वही। ये नया नारा कहाँ से आ गया, ये नया नारा कहाँ से आ गया, आगे वाला बोले वही। ये नमस्ते, ये नमस्ते, क्योंकि मैं मुझे लग रहा है माना कि मैं मुझे लग रहा है माना कि मैं मुझे लग रहा है माना कि मुझे लग रहा है। जब आपने ऋग्वेद की बात कही तो हमारे यहाँ कहा गया यतो धर्म ततो जय। जिस मार्ग पे हम धर्म को तलाशेंगे वहीं जय भी मिलेगी। धर्म को तलाशेंगे ना ही जय भी मिलेगी। अगर आप धर्म विक्रमादित्य की बात की जय भी मिलेगी। अगर विक्रमादित्य की बात की जय भी मिलेगी। जिनसे भी विक्रमादित्य के संयोग से बहुत सारे कारण से अलग अलग डिग्री में ला की डिग्री भी मेरे पास है, तो उसका आनंद भी महसूस करता हूँ। लेकिन मूलतः जहाँ से आता हूँ वहाँ के बारे में आपने बता ही दिया है, तो मैं इतना सा एक घटनाक्रम याद दिलाता हूँ विक्रमादित्य और बैताल का। मूलतः बैताल आज के इस